Good morning, everybody. What is going on? Today, I am trying a new spot for the very first time. I am here at the Arturo Galvan Park in Port Isabel. Decided to come do some wade fishing. I heard this spot's real good for trout. This spot is, I've been told, okay, it's my first time here, so I don't know. This spot is real shallow. Like, you can walk deep into these parts and it's shallow. I don't know, I'm gonna find out. But this is my very first time, and I've been wanting to come try this park for a while. I think my brother Louis been here. He told me about it and he said it's a good spot, so I really decided to come try it myself. And I'm hoping to get us some trout. Look, there's a bunch of bait jumping already here. We should have a southeast wind, so let's see how that treats us today. And let's see if we can find some fish, guys. To get me started, I'm throwing a topwater peanut from RDZ Custom Baits. Check it out, dude. He made me this one, custom made. Beautiful color, dude. Only if you could see it, man. Glitter with that. Always gotta have that dot. Always gotta have that shad imitation. Most of the waters I fish, a bunch of shad running through there, so gotta imitate the bait. And I'm seeing some action right here. I don't know if it's bait being chased or just bait chilling there. What I like about these peanuts, guys, is they're really loud. Things are freaking, they got so much noise. It's excellent when you're out here fishing these areas, because the more noise the better, more commotion. Let's see if I can get on some fish, man. Like I said, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what I'm doing. My first time at this park. I'm gonna try my best to pull out a couple trout, whatever comes out. Reds, trout. Just hope I get on something, that's it. I've seen a bunch of grass on this grassy bottoms, which is what I want to look for. Trying to see if I can work some topwater commotion. Oh, my peanut went underwater. Not good. Okay, guys. Did a little switch up. Wasn't getting no hits. So I switched up to a RGV lure. And I added a little butt juice to it. Give it some scent. Let's see if we can hit on the paddle tail. Jerk shad only got me 2 hits. So I'm gonna try a paddle tail. See if we can work something out, man, because I'm trying to get something. The jig head I have on here is a little heavier. I think this is a 1/4 ounce. On the locked up, it was a 1/8. This one's a little heavier. Oh, he just spit it, dude. That was a trout. Very decent trout, man, on the RGV lure. Damn, dude. It was either a trout or a skipjack. Couldn't really tell. It was jumping too much. As soon as the lure fell in. Oh, God. Okay, we found him. Found him in the area, guys. They're biting cast after cast. They're in the deeper area. Oh my goodness, dude, that's it. They ripped the tail off. Let me see if we can work it like that. Little nub. And that's my last limited edition color. Nope, they want that paddle tail, dude. I'm gonna switch up, see if I can find something else. Dang it, bro. Alright, guys, we finally got one. Oh, yes, sir. It's a skipjack. Why is he jumping so much? Oh, it's a trout. Nope. First trout of the day, dude. Locked up lures with the locked up jig head. I switched to the whip, dude, because I popped my down south lure. So I switched to the whip from locked up lures with the locked up jig head on the first cast. On the first cast, he's too small. He's too small, but I'm glad he hit it. Say bye, buddy. Check it out, guys. The whip from locked up lures. Paired up with my trusty locked up jig head. On the first cast, dude, first cast. Like I said earlier, I saw a bunch of... Earlier I said there was a bunch of piggy perch swimming around me. And if you guys seen the piggy perch, they're like a shiny color with a chartreuse tail. Earlier I had the chartreuse tail and they were tearing it up. So I decided to switch to the whip because it's like a shiny, this color I have, metallic shiny color. And it kind of imitates them, you know. I could tell you it worked. On the first cast, that little guy smacked it. First shot of the day, which I'm glad I actually pulled something out because I lost like 2 fish already. All morning I was in. Since I got here, it took a while to find them. We found the fish. Yeah, they're in the area. A lot of commotion going on now. Okay. Okay. That was a good hit. No way, dude. Croaker on the locked up lure. Chill out, bud. You do not chill out, I'm gonna use you as bait. Let that guy go. Locked up lure, the locked up jig head. That's someone's line. Don't tell me that's my line, dude. Oh, this might be my line, guys. I can find my down south lure. This would be insane if it's my line. Dude, it is. Check it out, guys. I popped off a little while ago. Look what I pulled out, dude. This is, oh my god, this is just crazy. This is just crazy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna throw the locked up lure for a little bit. If we don't get no more hits, I'm gonna switch back to that down south lure. Alright, looks like all the fish are out of this area. I haven't got no. Oh, no, they're still here. They're still here. I really thought they were gone, but they're still here. That locked up lure is pulling them out, dude. It's a nicer trout. it's a nicer trout. This guy is, nope, he's about 12. Check it out, guys. Locked up lure, the locked up jig head. Call your mama, buddy. Want your mama, your daddy, your grandma, your bigger brother, anybody but you small guys. Let him swim off. Alright guys, to give me an advantage, I'm gonna throw some more Pro Cure on here. Just so you know, pick up the bite a bit. Like I said, if you ain't fishing with butt juice, man, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? A little bit goes a very long way. Especially with this butt juice, because it smells like ass, dude. Straight ass. And I guess the fish love it. Hey, the fish are just like me, though. Dang, dude, look at the tail. They got it all ripped up. All right, let's get some casting with that butt juice. We're cracking the whip today, guys. Man, dude, we had a small trout. Baby trout. Didn't even feel him bite. Just saw my line changing directions. Oh, yep. Another baby trout. Look at him go, dude. He's going. Walking him on the water. Baby trout. Baby troutski. Oh, he ripped the tail off the whip. Let's go, buddy. The good thing about the whip is you can still work it like that. Still has some nice killer action. But they say the trout are cannibals, that the bigger ones eat the smaller ones off. So if there's baby trout in this area, you know there's a big mama hiding here. Oh, yep. These guys are killing the whip, dude. What the hell is this? What the hell? Look at this, guys. What the hell is this? Yo, thought it was a damn gar for a minute. This guy has some ugly teeth. What the hell, dude? Anybody know what this is? Damn, man, I'm about to bring the pliers out. All right, guys, I have no idea what that was, but the whip is pulling out different species today. Croaker, whatever that needle-nose fish is, speckled trout. Man, dude, this whip is killing it today. And these fish are coming out. Now we just gotta wait for that big one. That big one to strike. That's all I'm waiting for. Dude, the whip is... Dude, come on. This is crazy. This is crazy, dude. Oh, baby redfish. Yo, another species, guys. This guy has a beautiful color. Baby redfish, dude. Check it out. With no tail and it's still coming out. Oh, yep. Dude, this is insane, dude. This is insane. Cast after cast. Speck? Baby speck. We found the fish. We found the fish, dude. And today is gonna be a catch and release day. Oh, yep, yep, yep. This guy's putting a little drag. Might be nicer. Yep, yep. What is it? Oh, dude, is this a big trout? It's a nice trout, that's for sure. It's a nicer trout. Dang it, dude, he's a nice trout. He ain't keeping though. Probably 13, 14, barely there. Beautiful speck. No tail, dude, no tail. Man, this is crazy. Hit after hit. It's crazy, dude. Okay, on some of these strikes, I'm setting the hook a little too early. I know. I'm gonna let him eat it this time because I know I'm setting the hook a little too early. These guys didn't even get a chance to eat it. I'm setting the hook and putting the lure straight out their mouth before they even get to bite it. There you go. Yep. As I said, I was waiting. Dude, these trout are getting nice. These trout are getting way nicer. Beautiful speck, dude. Still too small, but he's getting thick. They're getting thick, dude. Go, buddy. My battery's gonna die already. 4% of battery left. Let's see if we can pull one more out. Let's see if we can pull one more out before his battery dies. I'm gonna have to switch my batteries. Oh. Might have killed them all out of this area. They're not biting as much as they were earlier. There you go. There you go. Right next to me. A baby red, dude. Baby redfish. Alright guys, that looks like it's gonna call it for today. Awesome day, guys, awesome day. New spot, and I managed to catch fish, man. We cracked the whip today, look at it. Or shall I say the whip got cracked today. Man, dude, what a beautiful day. The Arturo Galvan Park really put me on. I wish I would have caught some keeper size or some bigger fish, but like I said, I'm happy to catch something in a new spot. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all the support. I appreciate everything, guys. Thank you so much. Till the next video, guys. We out, baby.